In this video, we're going to talk about special products. The first one, a plus b plus c squared. That's a trinomial square, right? That is equal to a squared plus b squared plus c squared plus 2 times a times b, 2ab, plus 2 times b times c, 2bc, plus 2 times c times a, 2ca, right? For 2ca, we can rewrite this expression that is actually equal to 2ac, right? In alphabetical order. Okay, I'm going to show you why we have this formula right here. Here we have a plus b plus c squared, right? That's actually what? A plus b plus c times a plus b plus c, right? So we're going to expand this expression using the distributive property. Starting from a times a, that's a squared, a times b, that's ab, a times c, that's ac. Now starting from b times a is ab, right? b times b, that's b squared, b times c, that's bc, plus, now starting from c times a, that's ac, c times b, that's bc, c times c, that's c squared. So that is equal to, we have a squared, b squared, c squared. So a squared, b squared, plus c squared, plus, like terms, we have ab and ab. 1ab plus 1ab, that's going to be plus 2ab, plus, let's look at bc. We have 1bc, 1bc. So bc plus bc, that's going to be 2bc, right? Plus, and we have ac and 1ac. 1 plus 1, that's going to be 2ac, right? So trinomial square is always this is squared, a squared plus b squared plus c squared plus 2 times ab plus 2 times bc, 2 times ac. Okay? Now, number two is binomial cube. Binomial cube. So, for binomial cube, we have a cube plus 3 a squared b plus 3 ab squared plus b cubed. Okay, so look at this term. This term has 3, 2, 1, 0. Nothing here, right? This term right here, 0, nothing here. B to the 1, b squared, b3. 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, do you see the pattern? The coefficients are 1, 3, 3, 1. If it's minus here, then everything is the same, but we have the sign a cube plus, plus, minus, plus, minus. It alternates. Okay, so let's memorize this. I'm going to show you why we have this expression right here, this when we expand this. Okay, so let's look at a plus b cubed. That's actually a plus b squared times a plus b, right? Or we can say that that's a plus b times a plus b times a plus b. A plus b is multiplied 3 times, right? So that is equal to, we know this already, a plus b squared, that's a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. And we have a plus b here, right? So if we expand this, that's going to be, well, actually, let me write right over here. Here, we're going to distribute this, starting from a squared times a, that's a cube. And a squared times b, that's a squared b. Plus, here, 2ab, starting from 2ab, 2ab times a, that's 2a squared b. 2ab times b, that's plus 2ab squared. Okay, now from b squared times a, that's ab squared. B squared times b, that's b cubed. So let's just simplify this. We have a cube first, and like terms, we have a squared b. Here, 2a squared b. A squared b, one of them. A squared b, two of them, right? So 1 plus 2, that's 3, right? Plus, oops. So that's going to be plus 3a squared b. Okay, let's look at ab squared term. We have a 2ab squared, 1ab squared. So 2 plus 1, that's 3ab squared. And now we have b cubed. So a plus b binomial cube is always a cube plus 3a squared b plus 3ab squared plus b cubed. If it's a minus, sign alternates, plus minus plus minus. Okay? Now let's try example number 1. The question is to multiply the polynomials. We have a trinomial square, right? So using the formula, that is equal to first term square plus second term square plus third term. Third term is 3 with a negative, so negative 3. Okay, negative 3 square plus 2 times first term, second term, plus 2 times first term, second term and third term, right? So second term is 2b, third term minus 3, plus 2 times first term, third term. So that is equal to a squared. 2b squared is 4b squared, negative 3 squared, that's positive 9, plus a, here, 2 times 2ab, right? So 4ab plus 2 times 2 times minus 3. That's minus 2 times 2, 4. 4 times 3, 12. B minus again, right? 2 times minus 3. So minus 6a. So we're going to rewrite this in alphabetical order, standard form, right? So we have a squared plus 4ab plus b squared. These 3 terms has degree 2. Next, degree 1, we have 6a, negative 12b, right? So minus 6a minus 12b. Now, the constant 9. Okay, number 2, we have binomial cube, right? The formula for this was x cubed, first term cube, plus 3 times first term squared times second term, plus 3 times first term times second term square plus second term cube, right? If you look at each term right here, x 3 2 1 0. For second term, 0 1 2 3. The coefficients 1 3 3 1, right? So that is equal to x cubed plus 3 times 4, that's 12x squared, plus 3 times 4 squared, 16, right? 3 times 16 is 48. So we have a 48x plus 4 cubed. 4 cubed is 4 times 16. That's a 64, right? So 64. Number 3, we have a binomial cube again, right? Here, I'm going to show you 2 ways to expand this. The first way is if first term is a square and second term is 2, then sign alternates. Okay, first term cube minus 3 first term square, second term plus 3 first term, second term square minus second term cube, right? Plus minus plus minus. Okay, so that is equal to a 2 times 3 6, 3 times 2 minus 6, 2 times 2 a to the power of 4, plus 3 times 4, that's 12a squared, minus 2 cubed, that's 8, right? Okay, second method is if we let first term is a square and second term is -2, then all of these terms will be positive. Okay, so let's say let me write with a black pen. Let's say we have a square minus 2 cube, and I'm going to rewrite this as a square plus -2 cube. Then we can write this binomial cube as first term cube plus 3 first term square times second term -2 plus 3 first term second term square plus second term cube. So that is equal to 3 times 2, a to the power of 6. Here, 3 times -2, that's -6, a to the power of 4. Here, 3 times, here, -2 square. -2 times -2, that's a positive 4, right? So 4 times 3, that's a positive 12, a square. Here, -2 cube, that's -2 times -2 times negative. Negative is multiplied 3 times. If negative is multiplied odd number of times, that's negative, right? So -8. So we have a -8 here. Okay? Checkpoint 1. The question is to multiply the polynomials. So we have x plus y minus z, trinomial square. The formula for trinomial square was, let's say we have a plus b plus c trinomial square. That is equal to a squared plus b squared plus c squared plus 2 times first term, second term, plus 2 times second, third, plus 2 times first, third, right? So that is equal to x squared plus y squared plus third term with a negative, okay? Minus z squared, negative z squared, plus 2 times first, second, plus 2 times second, third, plus 2 times first, third. So that is equal to x squared plus y squared, negative squared, that's plus z squared, plus 2xy minus, here, plus times minus, right? Minus 2yz minus, plus times minus, right? 2xz. Okay, number 2. Number 2 is equal to first 2a squared plus second term with a negative, right? Minus 3b squared plus third minus c squared plus 2 times first, second, plus 2 times second, third, plus 2 times first, third, minus c, right? So that is equal to 2a squared, that's 4a squared, minus square, minus 3 square, right? That's positive, plus 9b squared, minus c squared, that's plus c squared, then 2 times negative 3, that's minus 12, a times b, ab. Here, 2 times minus 3 times minus 1, 2 negatives, so positive, plus 2 times 3, 6 bc. Here, 2 times minus 1, minus 2 times 2, 4 ac, right? Number 3, we have a binomial cube, right? So that is equal to, well, if we have a binomial a plus b cube, that is equal to a cube plus 3a squared b plus 3ab squared plus b cube, right? If this is minus, then that's going to be plus minus plus minus plus minus plus minus, right? Okay, so 3a plus 2 cube, first term cube plus 3 times first term square, second term plus 3 times first term times second term square plus second term cube, right? So that is equal to 3 cube. 3 cube is 3 times 3 times 3. That's 9 times 3, 27. So 27a cube plus, here we have 3 times 3 square times 2. 3 times 3 square times 2. So that is equal to 3 times 3 square, 3 times 9, that's 27. So 27 times 2, that's 54. So 54 a square, here a square, right? Okay, next, plus 3 times 2 square, 3 times 2 square, that's 9 times 4, that's 36. So 36a plus 2 cube is 2 times 2 times 2, 8, right? Number 4, binomial cube again, but with the minus here, right? So that's going to be first term cube minus 3 times first term square, second term plus 3 times first term times second term, it's 1/2, second term square, 1/2 square, minus second term cube, right? So 2 cube, that's 8b cube, minus 3 times 2 square times 1/2. So 3 times 2 square times 1/2 is 3 times 4 times 1/2. 12 divided by 2, that's 6. So minus 6b squared, right? Plus, we have 3 times 2 times 1/2 squared. So let me write right over here. 3 times 2 times 1/2 squared, that's 1/4, right? So that's going to be 2 times 1, 2 times 2, 3 times 1/2, that's a 3/2. So we have a 3/2b, right? Minus 1/2 cube. 1 cube is 1. 2 cube. 1 cube is 1. 2 cube. That's 8, right? So 1/8. So minus 1/8. So if we multiply this, then that's going to be 8b cubed minus 6b squared plus 3/2b minus 1/8.